Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be doing another review video. I haven't done one of these in forever, and as you can see, it's another Harbor Freight item. I love Harbor Freight, what can I say? This is actually a Go-Thru socket set, what they call them. The reason why I bought this one is because when I'm doing a transmission work on my Eclipse, there's not much space for the socket in there, and the wrench is not always a good option. So I decided to check it out, and let's see how this looks. I'm not gonna do no testing, of course. I'm pretty sure it works just fine, just like the other Pittsburgh products. I know they're cheap, and a lot of you guys will probably say, hey, it's just a cheap crap, and it breaks and all that. So for me, Pittsburgh will do just fine. I do have some a little bit better brand tools, but for the sockets and wrenches, and Pittsburgh will do just fine, like I said. But anyway, let's unpack this one. This is actually metric and the standard set. This is a 3/8 drive. So yeah, let's check it in with my trusty Quinn. I love these. These are my favorite cutters so far. So yeah, this is your ratchet. It has 72 teeth. It does sound extremely hard. Maybe a little bit of oil would probably fix it. But yeah, step that aside. This is your extension. You can use this as extension and as a socket. It will double as a socket. So, all right. There's your, this is your adapter for the like bits. For example, this one right here, it goes in there, then you can plug it in and you can use that. That's pretty cool. And then these are your sockets, right? Nothing special. I do not like this, so I'll probably get rid of it and buy a regular socket organizer. Gonna get one side. So all it is, like I said, it's a stubby socket set. When you put it on there, this is your 18 millimeter, right? And let me show you, since I got this one right here. There's a 18 oh, this is, what is this? 18 millimeter right. So yeah, you can see how big of a difference that is, right? You can see that right there is huge. That's almost twice the size of this. So yeah, that's huge improvement. And let's get 22 millimeter, which is smaller than that. Then it's almost same. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's just great. That's why I had to get it, because this will be perfect for my flywheel bolts, because I do not have a lot of space, and it will work on pretty much anything that you're working on. You can use this as your daily ratchet. Like I said, pretty cheap. Lifetime warranty as well. It's a 21 piece, which is crazy because you get one side has more than the other one. But anyway, these are my metric ones that I'm gonna probably be using the most. And this is your adapter as well, which if you put it in there, you can use your sockets like that as well. So this will serve you as your wrench. So it has both sides. One negative thing, like I said already in the beginning, is the noise. Alright, let's see if this helps. Alright, sounds a little bit better, but hey. And this is another set from Pittsburgh that I absolutely love. This is my daily one. But yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. Pretty easy, pretty cheap wrench. The only thing, like I said, I don't like is this socket organizer. But hey, it's up to you to change it if you want to. If not, you can keep it. But for me, yeah, I do not like these. Seems like Pittsburgh never to find a decent socket organizer. But then, of course, it's cheap. What do you expect? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you all with this with decision if you want to buy this or not. Of course, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Ladies.